Hi, I'm Arpaia, and I want to congratulate you on the purchase of your Philips Soup Maker and welcome you to the Philips family. Just consider me your personal Philips guide, your telechef. I will help you get set up and ready to go. So first, we want to remove all packaging materials and wash all the parts clean with warm soapy water. Hold the handle of the jug with one hand and lift the motor unit off the jug by its hand grip with the other hand. The soup maker has a blade to blend ingredients and a heating element to heat up the ingredients. You can also use this appliance to make compotes and smoothies. Now, before you use it for the first time, you're going to run once first with just water inside. You want to fill the jug with water up to the max line. Hold the motor unit above the jug, align the connectors, then lower the motor unit into the jug and press down. Put the small plug in the socket of the jug and then plug into the outlet. Now, press the program selection button until the compote program is selected, and then press the start/stop button. When the program has finished, the appliance beeps and the compote light blinks. Hold the handle of the jug with one hand, and with the other hand, lift the motor unit off the jug by its hand grip. I make sure to have a dish towel nearby to lean the blade against after I remove it. Pour the water out of the jug and rinse the inside of the jug under the faucet, making sure not to immerse the soup maker in water. Then dry it well. Let me walk you through the settings. The soup maker has 6 settings. 5 automated programs where temperature and time are set for the perfect result, and a manual blending function. The first is a pureed soup option that combines heating and blending in 18 minutes. The second is a chunky soup option that heats up for 18 minutes. The unique milk-based soup heats and blends for 35 minutes. Compote heats the ingredients for 12 minutes, and then a cold soup smoothie blends for 3 minutes. When you're adding ingredients, including liquids, make sure they are above the min line and below the max line. That's very important. If the contents go over the max indication, the overflow sensor will cause the alarm to signal to activate. If that happens, just remove some of the contents and restart the program again. Now let me share with you a few of my tips to make sure you get an awesome result every time. Number 1, try to prepare everything in advance, so all you have to do is add your ingredients and just press the button. If you're using stock, I recommend heating it up in the microwave instead of pouring it in cold. I really find that it enhances the flavor and the taste. In general, use fresh ingredients wherever possible. Fresh garlic instead of garlic powder. Fresh herbs instead of dried herbs. These little touches really make a difference and will bring your soup alive. If you're using frozen vegetables, let them thaw or simply put it in the microwave before adding it to your soup maker. This allows for even cooking. Make sure when you chop your ingredients, you do them in small, consistent pieces, especially starchy items like potatoes, carrots, and turnips, because you really want them to cook evenly. You're really gonna love this soup maker. It's so versatile. I also use it to make pureed soups and fruit compotes, like this one I made with the panna cotta. Now, make sure you register your soup maker by texting a photo of this camera icon so you can receive an extended warranty, new recipes, and a ton of special discounts. What will you make with your Philips soup maker? Show us on social media by tagging Philips Soup Maker. I can't wait to see what you post, and welcome to the Philips family.